Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Minecraft error Java virtual machine. If you want to fix it, click here and then click background apps. Now just make sure to turn off this option and then go back and click here, and now type view advanced system settings and then click this one and click new. After that type here and in second one type this code and then click OK. Now OK again and restart your PC, and after restarting your PC open task manager and then close all the applications that you don't need here like Google Chrome, and that's it, applications that takes your memory in the background. And don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.